Upendra Sharma, Head of Marketing for Constructs in Tata Motors. Today unveiled 5 products from our range of construction trucks. 3 of them are from the Prima platform. The first one is from the Prima platform is a 6x4 2528. It's with a 280 horsepower vehicle with 9-speed gearbox, and suitable application is mining, marble, iron ore and lignite. This is with a 16 cubic meter scoop body and with 1224 tires. The second model, which is the first introduction of 8x4 tipper from Tata Motors, is a 3128K, which is with a 280 horsepower engine, 9-speed gearbox, and is suitably designed for applications like road construction, industrial development and hydropower projects. Most of the applications where the predominant work is earth filling and earth removal, the earthwork. And the third product from the Prima range is an 8x4 3138K, a mining tipper with 380 horsepower engine and larger tire size of 1224 and suitable to mining scoop body of 18 cubic meter with Hardox material. And from the existing range, we have 2 upgrade versions. One is an LPK 1616, which is for road construction with a 155 horsepower engine and improved gearbox, larger gearbox and all steel front cabin. And the other model is a 2518 HD with 9-speed gearbox. And for the Prima range, the price range starts from 33-34 lakhs and goes up to 60 lakhs in the encompasses the complete range. For the other 2 models that we have unveiled, 1616 is of 14 lakhs and 2518 HD is around 24 lakhs. This is the first launch of Prima. AP is a very critical market, and it's one of the, if I go by the grapevine discussions, almost 40% of the all India construction happens through people who originate from AP, and our contractors who are based in AP. So that's the reason why we thought AP is one of the most suitable market for us to do the first launch of Prima range of.